Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you delete your liked videos, both one single video and all your liked videos from YouTube. So follow up with me, let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store since we're going to be using the YouTube app at first. So let's go ahead and find it and make sure it is updated, or at least we have a new version. After that, of course, we quit the store, and now let's go ahead and open the YouTube app. You have to be logged into your account, as you can see here. Now let's go ahead and tap on your profile picture that should be in the bottom right corner of your screen right there. Now let's tap on liked videos. From here, if you want to remove a like from a video, you can tap on the three dots next to that video and then simply tap remove from liked videos. Now, if you have hundreds of videos that you want to remove the likes from, this process can be very annoying, or it can take a lot of time, and as you can see, there is no option in the app to remove all the likes. That's why you have to follow up with me and I'll show you exactly how to remove all the likes on YouTube. Go to your browser and then simply from here tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. So you have to be logged into the same Google account you're using for YouTube. Now from here tap on manage your Google account. In this page, scroll a little bit down until you find data and privacy. Go ahead and tap on it. And again, in data and privacy, scroll a little bit down until you find these four options. The third one should say view YouTube history. Go ahead and tap on it. And then here tap on interactions. It should be in the top right under your profile picture, right there. And then here tap on the first one, which says video likes and dislikes. From here you can tap on the three dots in the top right there. You get this little menu from the top. It's gonna come in a minute. Here it is, guys. What you can do from here is simply tap on delete all. From here, once you tap on delete, every video that you have ever liked or disliked will be removed. Basically, your liked list will be empty. This is, guys, how you do it. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.